as blessed see your name don't reach your good hand for bini dear. Mothers they don't they come out one after the other. They say small pikin will say won't dance surugege music, making no say surugege music na egun them more. You are person they quarrel, you not focus on the person, make it cost the person. You not focus on the person family, since smart they sweet you, make it cause the person. You say that the general mothers there for Bini land, Bini kingdom. Bini is the only second kingdom for the whole world. After United Kingdom, you see Bini kingdom. Now you come mad. Say because say you know they fear anything for this life. You know they fear your hedge. Now you come out. Now you begin insult all the old Bini mothers there. Hey, bless to see you. Your name very soon. Now your name go reach very soon. Very soon, Ishango, all of them, your name go reach there. Your picture go reach there. Your mind, you will learn in the hard way according to the very dark man. Next time when you they talk to person, focus on the person or begin they call. If you not say you not get respect, well, cause the person family, no problem. That person go cost your whole family back. But you, as it just be like that now, at least you go just come and say all the Igbo women, all the Igbo mothers there. Just imagine you come mad because you feel say when you talk like this, you post thousands of people go come watch. You get the effort they cause all the old Bini women, including the urban mother. That is what you are doing now. You since you say the old women in the old mothers in Edo State, in Benin City there, many body king mother. Ha, bless you, see you. You're not, you see, man, you go learn in the hard way. My people, watch this video. Bless you, see your picture, don't reach your good handle. Hey, they knock sogo, I be waiting they call her for bless you, see your head, oh. Bless you, see you go learn in the hard way. I see repeat time again. Next time when you dey quarrel with person, you focus on that person. Leave the tribe where the person come from, you leave it alone. You go leave am alone. You go no say Bini, now you go no say, oh, say church they Bini, oh, but they not carry that church for head. Church they Bini, they not carry church for head. If you dey find people where they serve Ojuju pass na Bini, now you carry your two left legs down for front of camera, you begin to vomit rubbish for mouth. You begin to vomit rubbish for mouth. They cause your own mothers in Bini land, Edo kingdom, Bini kingdom. You begin to insult all of them. Guys, make una watch this video. Blessing, you will learn in the hard way. I will better advise you to come out publicly and apologize to all the Bini mothers that make you get peace for your life. If not, if they start to they swear for you one after the other, I pity for your life. If they start to they swear for you one after the other, I believe your mother, they see what you they do. Your mother's supposed to call you, make it advise you. Insulting all the old mothers because of say you get problem with easy ogbede. You not focus on easy ogbede. Curse your mama, curse your papa. That one go see curse your mama, curse your papa back. But you insulting the rest people will not do you anything. Now something that is not acceptable. You need to come out to do public apology. If not, you will learn the hard way. Guys, make una watch this video. Share this video when you come across this video. Watch as they don't carry blessing. See you on reach inside Shiram. Make it not forget to drop your comments. You are just coming across my video for the first time. Please follow me on my page, Linda Gist TV, both on YouTube, TikTok, and my Facebook page. Thank you, my people.
Nawatana, where bless see you, Waro, yes. We bless see you, Waro, you so Waro, we see how see, or sister so area with Boom, sister so area with Bono Bachawo with Oni. I mean, what Timeno ya wait till love would know where I bless see you. El Barobia was in. Now we do come away. Now we Agbiaga, and no one go run by missing way. And I will do come away.
Women will tell her. Then picture blesses you.
Lima way. Bless you, your mag will touch ground. I not tell you say you call it cost Bini people. Get. Nene picture na hina. Nene bless you na hina.
Okay. Beno ingina ya mwe bogbe bless you ni. Ya kama inguna no mwe.
I'm boy when I start with her. You mamma boy.
Okay.
We added the only bag. One more bomb, once on Guavan, bless you. At Tony.
Me catch an e pa mi mu na no mo iwo kan pe. Igbo gba na ya gbe bo wa kan.
Your mother,